How many times have you found yourself having to go and search for a new Shopify developer, performing countless interviews to find someone you feel will be reliable, just to fix, update, tweak, or add a new feature to your website? Hello, I'm Paul Elliott, serial entrepreneur and founder of Mind to Matter. Our agency of top tier talent in Shopify development not only build Shopify websites, but we provide monthly maintenance so that you have someone on standby at all times for all of your Shopify needs. Our client portal makes it so easy for you to submit support tickets whenever you need something done. Our pricing structure is broken down by the amount of support that you require. Get the comfort of knowing you have someone reliable for all of your Shopify needs and get our Shopify monthly maintenance today.